I appreciate that Lifetouch had the vision 24 years ago. What I can say is hundreds of volunteers have thanked Lifetouch.
I just want to say thank you to Lifetouch. What a company, what a group of people, because the people make up the company. It's not the company, it's the people. And I've been so impressed with the Lifetouch people here. They're just incredible.
I didn't know why people would come, but the one common theme is passion for kids. I came because I think servant leadership is the most important thing you can do. And the idea of building something where there was nothing for kids, that it may give them more than hope, but someday they can pay it forward and give it back to somebody else.
Without the Memory Mission, their lives would not have been impacted. And for that, I am forever grateful, blessed, and want to thank Lifetouch for the 24 years of giving back.
When I was on the Lifetouch Memory Mission trip, there was a young boy who visited our site every day, and we would interact. On the last day, he came over to me and just hugged me and buried his face on my shoulder. At the time, I did not know that Donnie had captured that moment in a picture. But when I returned from the mission trip, one of my staff members had printed that picture and placed it on my desk. It is my reminder that every person has an opportunity to make a difference in the lives of children.
I can't even explain it or really put it into words. I just want to be happy and healthy. And that's the biggest lesson that I learned from this experience. It was amazing.
Rarely do you have an opportunity to participate in something that changes your life, both professionally and personally. That's exactly what the trip to the Dominican Republic in 2011 did for me as a part of the Lifetouch Memory Mission trip. What an amazing, amazing opportunity that changed the way I run school here, the way I think of others, the way we do service learning projects. It was an incredible experience.
It's the most important week of my life.
When I left Newfoundland, Canada, I told the people, like, I'm going to build a school. When I go home, it's not going to be about the school. This is about relationships. This is about story. This is about hope. It's about what we take away after.
I never expected to be helped to the level that I was. I never realized how much the people here would help me.
I really thought that I was going to Guatemala to give. And what I had no idea was how much Guatemala would give back to me. I'm forever grateful for that experience. Lifetouch, you changed my life. I'm so honored to have been a part of this experience.
I am thankful that Lifetouch saw an opportunity to make a difference and providing the opportunity to bring our craft of photography to communities around the world that have never seen pictures of themselves. There's one delivery that happened in Haiti where literally the kids came out of the church holding their pictures and went into this spontaneous parade through town, and the notion that these kids had never seen themselves. That's powerful. And to be able to replicate that, whether we went to the Dominican or Puerto Rico or Jamaica or Kosovo, here in Guatemala, it's priceless.
They have taught me more about life in 6 days than I have learned in my 40 years of life.
There hasn't been a day that's gone by in the past 7 years that I haven't thought about my Lifetouch Memory Mission. I think about the lessons that I learned, and there were so many in that short amount of time, but the one lesson that stuck with me was this idea of happiness, and not just being happy, but choosing joy. So I'm forever grateful for the Lifetouch Memory Mission, and I will hold the memories near and dear to my heart.
I'm forever grateful and blessed that I was a part of the journey. I can't take credit for it, but I certainly hope that my thumbprint has made a difference with kids and families around the world.